Alright guys, today you're going to be learning how to use the front eye on the robot to navigate through these discs. So when you are done, your robot should follow the pattern to where it bumps into the disc, then turns all the way around. So it's going to look like this when you are finished. We're going to be using the wait until the front eye detects it. As you can see, it bounces all the way around the discs until you get over to the red one. That's where we want to end and take our screenshot right here on the red disc as it works its way through, turning and using those. Very simple code. Alright, so it's just pretty much you're turning in a direction. Okay, you're driving forward, you're waiting until it detects the color. Alright, so let's get started with that. So I'm going to go ahead and get a new blocks project started. Alright, so when you first get into Vex Code project, we're going to use Playground right here. And then you want to go to the disk maze up here in the list. So if you look at your list, we want to click on that disk maze until you see it looking like that. And then again, if you want to expand it, you can do that and then move it to the side. So first thing we want to do is we want to drive forward until we hit this green block right here. So we are going to drive forward and we are going to wait until, so we go wait until right here, and then right here in this section is where we're going to use the front eye detects the color. So if you scroll down into eye sensing, you have front eye detects red. That's what we want to use, and then we want to drop it inside the code right there. It'll highlight for you. Okay, don't put it underneath. Drop it inside there. Alright, so now we're going to go through until we hit the green. So we're going to drive forward until we hit green. Alright, and then our next disc is right here, the blue disc. So I would drive forward till it hits it, then I would turn right. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to turn right for 90 degrees. Alright, so now if I play it, it's going to go forward till it hits the green, and then it's going to turn right. Okay, now I'm going to work to the blue. So you're going to kind of follow this pattern. Drive forward, wait until the front eye detects the color, which is going to be blue. So I'm going to drive forward, and I'm going to wait until, and then now I need my front eye detecting blue this time, right there. And now my next disc is right here, so it's going to turn left and go up. So now I'm going to turn left. Alright, I'm going to follow this pattern, so it's going to drive forward. And what I basically just did right there is I just copied and pasted that whole section. Now it's going to drive forward until the front eye detects blue. Then I want to turn left and then drive forward. And now I can just keep pasting that right there. So if you want to copy that stuff, alright, you can just select it, the top one, Command C, alright, and then you can Command V down here and just kind of work your way through. So where I'm at on this, he's going to drive forward until he hits the green. Going to hit the blue, turn left, hit the blue, turn left, hit the blue, turn left. Now he's going to hit this blue, turn left. Alright, and then that's kind of where I stop. So now I got to detect the green. Alright, So now he drove forward until the front eye detects green. Okay, now he's going to turn right. So now he turns right. So now if I watch it, I'm going to go forward, hit the green, hit the blue, turn left, hit the blue, turn left, hit the blue, turn left, hit the blue, turn left. Oh, I forgot my drive forward here. Drop that in there. Okay, so now he's going to hit the green, turn right, drive forward until, so now I can just go down here. Hits the green, he's going to drive down until he hits the blue. And then I want him to turn to the left until he hits the green, so that is correct. So now if you watch, goes forward to the green, then hits the blue up here, hits the blue there, hits the blue there, hits the green, hits the blue, and now I'm ready for him to hit the green. Alright, and then he will turn to the right. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up a little bit. So he's going to drive forward until he detects green. He's going to turn right. So he'll turn right until he detects red. So he'll drive forward until the front eye detects red, and then I want him to stop driving. Alright, so one last time, just to make sure it's correct. As he works through the maze, hitting the green, hitting the blue, turn left, hitting the blue, hitting the blue, turning left again, hitting the blue, turning left again. Now he's going to hit the green, turn right, hit the blue, turn left, hit the green, turn right, then get to the red and stop. At that point, that's where you take your screenshot, turn it in, and you are finished for the week. This is the only assignment for week 8.